guys ready for this? Good afternoon, what's up guys? I hope everybody's doing well. I'm actually doing this video because I just got a new car. Well, we're in this 2017 340i. You know, it's gonna be like a project car. I'm gonna be recording everything, you know, have different mods, do different stuff, and always be changing it. Let's do this. Right now I'm on my way actually to a muffler shop. I'm not doing anything to this car, but we're going to a muffler shop to do some work on my brother-in-law's car. He just got an X5 and he wants to do a muffler delete. You guys will see, it looks, that's just badass. So I'm gonna go see him now. I'm meeting up with him now so we can go together. And we're gonna do this, and it's gonna sound sick. And there's a lot of big, I'm gonna see if I maybe do like a little video today also with like an install, because I ordered some parts for this car already. I already have ordered a bunch of parts, so I'm just waiting for them to get here. So let's see if we can do a little install video today too. That shit's nice. He already did the grills, mirrors. This is nice. It's just too quiet, man. Look at it, you can't even hear it. Sounds like a Prius. Yeah, it's just nice, bro. Look at that. It's nice. What's up, dude? You ready for tutoring? When you come back, your car's gonna be louder. Just go rapapa. Lisa, you ready? You ready, boy? Hey, you ready for this?
I really want to hear the rapapa.
Damn, big them grills. You black? You know about that, bud? Ooh. Damn, B. This shit sounds like a Prius, bro. Oh shit, damn, it's a nice car over there. I can't believe I'm giving Eric on my car. Damn, bro. Stacking, bro. Are you ready, man?
Let's do this.
Yo, we're about to get there right now. But this guy's going like a turtle. We're here. Been here before. We watched the other video. Damn, oh shit. Yeah, truck. She's nice. Right here. Yeah, truck's badass. Yo, you guys ready for this? It's gonna be like a warm start, but you know, you gotta rev it. Go, go, let's go, let's go. What is that, bro? What is that? What is that? It's not even sounding. It's embarrassing. It's embarrassing. Let's see if he knows how to drive. Let's see. Oh, oh, oh. Yes. Just for looks? Is that what it is for looks? Yeah. Yo, we're gonna put it like this. The tips, and we're just gonna put it like there, like that. Así?
Oh, you big love,
Así. Start up, boy. Leave the door open. Leave the door open to hear it. Damn. Rev it a little. Damn. This nigga sounds dope. Yo, this shit didn't sound sick, boy.
So we have here, finally, not bad. Let's do it.
Are you happy though? Now you feel like it?
There you go. Sí, ahora sí me está pisando el Let's go, let's see how it sounds from the outside. I kid you not, I'm in love with my car again. And again and again. Every time I hear it, I just keep on loving the car more. Se escucha
Sick.
lindísimo.
Yo. Yeah, boy. Are you ready, Erika?
I'm ready.
What about what? What about baby Enzo? Oh shit! Shay, you ready for this? Yo, put pause on that shit, man. What's wrong with you? Let's go, let's go. Let's go, you ready? I gotta see that reaction face. Let's go. Go closer. Oh shit! What do you think?
Ahora sí soy un hot mama.
See how that shit sounds, bro. So here's the sneak peek. Let's see if you guys can guess what this is. Yo, look at this, boy. I got that forged carbon. That's what I'm gonna be running through the whole car, basically. And you just gotta take off the mirror and then just loosen some screws. And it goes pop pop. Pops right out.
Early in the morning, cold startup. Let's see how it sounds now.